Hi guys, this is Mima. I am a CPA helping individuals and businesses, and if you stop by, it's because, well, first of all, let me say thank you for stopping by to check out my channel. And if you stop by this video, you saw the title and you're contemplating when is the right time. Oh, just a disclaimer, my videos are raw, uncut, and unedited, so you will see some errors, and that's just how I am. So anyhow, actually I don't have time to edit, and I don't even like editing videos. I like filming, I don't like editing. So in order for me to film, I need to not edit. Back to the topic. If you are watching this video, you're wondering when is the right time to hire a tax preparer, and I'm gonna help you out and give you some information. Number one, nothing is one size fits all, and I like to use an analogy with your house and repairs. Some household repairs, if you have a leaky faucet, you may be able to repair that yourself if you're interested in learning how. If you have, bad wiring, or if the wiring in your home is not up to code, that may be more complicated and you may not have the time or ability to repair that, for the average person. So same thing with taxes. Taxes vary, so there's no one size fits all answer. I think the last statistic that I've seen, about like half of Americans, 50 to 55% of Americans prepare their own taxes using various do-it-yourself software. Ideally, if you don't have any type of, business or accounting background and you're not interested, I would say that if you only have a W-2, or you only have W-2 income and you don't have any kids, maybe you're single, no home, you should definitely, actually I encourage you to try to prepare your tax return yourself. You should definitely read the instructions. Outside of the do-it-yourself software, they are great in guiding you, but you need to understand the questions and the terminology and things like that. So with the do-it-yourself software, definitely find the one that is suitable for you. I'm not going to recommend any because I don't even use them, and I'm not that familiar with them, quite frankly, because I'm a CPA. But there's a lot of them out there, so do your research and find the one that suits you best. Some of them are, they start off being free, and then if you don't meet the qualifications, they'll tell you how much you have to pay. But yeah, so if you only have W-2 income, and you're comfortable with computer software, I would definitely encourage you to go on the IRS's website, download the instructions, give yourself enough time to read it, and then do your tax return yourself. It's also a good, it's a good learning opportunity, because even if your finances gets more complicated, or you become, a higher earner and things like that, you still want to understand the basics, because if you live in the U.S., and even if you live outside of the U.S., if you are a U.S. resident or citizen, you have to file taxes. So it's something that you definitely need to know about and be comfortable with. And even if you hire a professional, a tax preparer to do your taxes, you're still the one signing off on your taxes. So you need to be comfortable with what's on it. And when they explain it to you, if you're not familiar with the terminology and stuff like that, you won't understand. So get familiar with it. And the perfect way to get familiar with it is if you're, young and just starting out in the working world, and, all you have is W-2 income, then you definitely want to try doing it. Some other people who may be comfortable doing their taxes, I'm excluding people who are in the field of business or accounting, because I believe that that group of people should have a higher aptitude as far as dealing with taxes, but that's not the case. And a lot of those people have complicated taxes. So that leads me to my second piece of advice is if your taxes have any level of complexity, then you definitely will benefit more than likely by hiring a tax preparer. Number one, they can save you money by getting you the credits and deductions that you're eligible for, and making sure you don't take any credits or deductions that you're not eligible for, because those can lead to you having to pay hefty fines and penalties. So yeah, you definitely want to take advantage of the things you qualify for, but you don't want to take things that you don't qualify for. And some of the instances that I would definitely advise, the average American to hire a tax preparer for is if you pull money out of your retirement accounts, your 401k or your IRA or things like that. If you invest in the stock market and maybe you're cashing out. If you dabble in, investing in crypto, you probably definitely want to hire a tax preparer. A lot of these digital wallet sites have companion sites that will generate a tax form for you. I think you have to pay a fee, but it's still a lot of complexities with crypto. Some tax preparers, all tax preparers don't even do crypto because, they don't understand and they don't want to risk making a mistake. If you have rental property or if you invest in real estate like on the side as passive income, you definitely want to hire a tax preparer. And then lastly, if you have a business that you're generating income or you have business expenses, then you definitely want to hire a tax preparer to do your tax return, because hiring a tax preparer, it comes with two folds. A tax preparer prepares your taxes based on, a questionnaire and collecting all your tax documents, right? And this preparer is supposed to review the results with you. So in the process of doing your tax return, if you have any questions and you own a business, a small business on the side or something like that, that is the opportunity to get clarification and get real answers to your questions. So that's why I feel like, that group of individuals that I just went through will benefit the most from hiring a tax preparer. So I hope this video helps. Please, please, please like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching. Bye.